The single arm lateral raise with the cable behind you. The main muscle used in this exercise will be your shoulders. Begin by keeping a slight bend in your elbows and lifting your arm out and up. Lift with your elbow, keeping it higher than your wrist throughout the motion. From there, squeeze at the peak contraction before lowering the weight slowly to the starting position. Avoid locking your elbows out completely. Avoid swinging the cable up. Avoid having too much of a bend in your elbow.